For those who seek to advance access to justice for all, there is promise in legal empowerment. This short animation provides an overview of a report by Margaret Satterthwaite, the UN Special Rapporteur on the independence of judges and lawyers. It draws attention to the vital part that legal empowerment can play in helping to close the justice gap. It focuses especially on the important work of community justice workers. Around the world, around 5.1 billion people lack meaningful access to justice. When legal systems cannot stop abuses and solve problems, when people do not have equal access to legal institutions, and when communities feel isolated and excluded, that means justice systems are failing. But legal empowerment can expand access to justice in a rapid, affordable, and meaningful way. Legal empowerment can be defined as equipping communities with tools to know, use, and shape the law, and to transform it in ways that matter to them. Community justice workers play a key role by placing the power of the law into communities' hands. Community justice workers are known by many different names: community paralegals, justice defenders, grassroots legal advocates, and barefoot lawyers. They are often members of the communities they serve. Community justice workers learn about specific areas of law and skills like negotiation, community organizing, and advocacy. They pass on their knowledge, helping communities to know and understand their legal rights, navigate formal processes in pursuit of solutions, and argue for changes in policy and law. Community justice workers don't replace lawyers but act as force multipliers, extending legal first aid to people who may otherwise not have access to legal support. For example, in Kenya, paralegals in one of Nairobi's largest informal settlements help to resolve conflicts by mediating between landlords and tenants while protecting the rights of those living in poverty. The Kenyan government recently formally recognized paralegals as legal aid providers. In Guyana, an indigenous district council trains community monitors to document unlawful mining operations. They use this data to seek government action to stop illegal mining. Paralegals in the Philippines are trained by civil society organizations or government agencies, and many are formally recognized. They act as community-based guardians for forest conservation and practice before agrarian reform tribunals and labor commissions. Finally, jailhouse lawyers in the United States are incarcerated individuals who generally have no formal legal training before their incarceration, but they learn about the law and gain skills to advocate for themselves and the rights of their incarcerated peers, including by seeking parole, challenging convictions, and demanding improved conditions within prison walls. As you can see, legal empowerment and community justice workers can expand the legal ecosystem to make access to justice a reality for all.